Hey, what's up? Welcome to another video from Between CAD Classes. This video is going to be a little different than most of the other ones I've posted. I recently found a YouTube channel that I absolutely love. It is called TooTallToby. And what he does is he posts different parts to challenge you to create them as fast as possible. Then after you've created them, you can post, first of all, which software you were using, how long it took you, and then the mass properties of the part. That is how you're able to tell that you modeled it correctly. Of course, as with most models in parametric modeling, they can be modeled in several different ways. TooTallToby now has a challenge to do a speed model of 3 parts as quickly as possible. I will put a link to TooTallToby's channel down in the description of this video. I encourage you to check it out. It's a lot of fun. It'll test your modeling skills. This video is going to be me completing those 3 parts as fast as possible. So without further ado, here we go. I am going to try to talk through these parts as I create them as well. We'll see how that works out. Here we go. The first part is a metric part. I'm going to go ahead and sketch a center point rectangle here. 50 by 175. Then I'm going to create an offset work plane up 95. Sketch on that work plane, create another center point rectangle. Then create a loft between those two. Then I'm going to sketch on the bottom here, project geometry, and then create 4 rectangles for the feet. Extrude that as an intersection through all. Then I'm going to share or turn on the visibility of these 2 sketches. Extrude the top to 20. Extrude the bottom down 35. Sketch on it. Project geometry, another rectangle here. This time 140 by 80, and then one for each corner. Cut those 15, turn the visibility of that sketch back on, then extrude the middle as a cut through all, set my material, my properties, 4914, perfect. Moving on to the next one, also metric. I'll start my sketch here, come into the right 180. Up 35, to the left 35, down 5, to the left 115, up 30, to the left 30, come back down. We're going to extrude that 80, sketch on the front here, project geometry, create an arc. Then some tangent arcs. Create some tangent constraints here. And a vertical constraint as well. Equal constraints. Radius of 15, radius of 25. Extrude that. 35. Bring in my counterbore hole. Sketch the final shape here. Make some equal constraints. Vertical constraint. Extrude that as a cut through all. chamfer, edge of 15. Set my material, properties, physical, update, 3102. Perfect. Let's go on to the last one. It is an English unit. I'll sketch. I'm going to go over 5, up 1.5, over 2, up 2.75, over 3, back down, extrude that a depth of 3. Sketch on top, project geometry, offset in 0.2, extrude that as a cut, 4.05. Sketch here, project geometry, draw a rectangle, 1.8 by 2.6, dimension that 0.2 from the side, extrude that as a cut, 1.3. Now some fillets, 4 outside fillets with a radius of 0.5, 8 inside fillets. 6.3, and then 2 bottom fillets, the radius of 0.2. Set my material to ABS plastic, eye properties, physical, update. Perfect. Well, I've practiced these parts multiple times, and that is definitely the fastest I have done, so I think I'm going to be happy with this one and submit it to TooTallToby. Make sure you check out the link in the description. Go check it out, see if I made his leaderboard, and try it yourself.